beautiful butterflies, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly if you don't know me. I am currently parked outside the Alchemy Room, which is the amazing medical spa that the incredible nurse Jackie in Edmonton, Alberta owns. She is someone I've been seeing for a couple of years now. She's the only person I will trust with any sort of cosmetic procedure. She is so good at just knowing what makes you feel your best self without looking too overdone. She's very good at telling you what you don't need, and which I think is awesome because I feel like you see all this stuff and you feel like you need it when you really don't, and so she's awesome at saying no, you don't need that. So I love her so much, and I'm here today to get some more lip filler. I haven't got my lips done in almost a year now, so I'm coming to get them touched up, and I've been having some issues with really congested skin, so she is going to recommend a treatment today to kind of help with all that congestion and melia and stuff like that. So let's go on inside and say hi to Nurse Jackie. I brought her a Starbucks because she's just the best ever, and I love her so much, and I'm so grateful for her. And yeah, so let's go say hi to her and let's go to my appointment. Hello! Hi. So this is what the waiting room of her studio looks like. It is so cute. She's done such an amazing job styling it. She has some awesome skincare products too that she offers that are all medical grade skincare lines. I just love her signage so much. So good. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you've seen her before because we did a kind of Q&A on fillers and Botox before, so if you want to check that out, definitely go ahead and do that. She's just going to put some topical numbing cream on my lips because we're going to be doing those today. No pain, no gain.
That's so good.
So these are what the lips look like after they're done. Obviously they're a bit swollen, so this isn't what the size is going to be, but she did such a good job. She basically did my natural kind of lip shape, so she didn't do, you know, an exaggerated cupid's bow or anything like that. She just kind of followed my natural lip shape, just filled out the filler just all over nicely on my bottom lip and upper lip. She's so great. Basically, if you guys have followed me for a long time, you would have seen on my channel a couple years ago before I got my lips done, my upper lip was very, very, very thin compared to my bottom lip. And so when I smiled and stuff like that, it just looked really kind of weird. I almost had a horse smile, but it's just filling out my smile much more. I love it. She just always does such a good job. I've been seeing her for probably about like 3 years now, and I won't see anyone else. It's just like amazing. And so now for all the congestion in my skin, we're gonna do a quick chemical peel, and then I'm gonna come back and do dermaplaning as well, just to help with getting rid of that first layer of dead skin, just to really help to let the skincare penetrate into my pores better, and just to again get rid of all that sebum and all the congestion in my skin. So I will kind of film all of that in this vlog, so you can stay tuned later for that. And so she's just getting everything ready for the peel, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. So enjoy me looking like a swollen tomato pretty soon. It's gonna be good.
So I kind of am listening to you a lot and listening to your skin during this whole time. So because it's your first one, I'll go a little bit lightly, but I also still want to get you a good peel. So.
Yeah, of course. So excited. I feel like my skin will be like, yes, oxygen.
Okay, I'm just gonna swallow this alcohol. Just dry your skin out. Okay, so this is gonna go on, and then time it from there. Sounds good. On a scale of 0 to 10.
Just like a very slight tingle, I'd say like 2 or 3.
Soon after.
So 0 to 10 now. How does it feel?
Like a 3 or 4. It's not that bad, yeah.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
How's your skin?
I can like hold on for another minute.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
One debt to society later.
Skin post chemical peel. I'm so happy. I'll be back in a couple days or so for dermaplaning, so I will film that next, so stay tuned in the next clip for that. But yeah, I'm so happy with all the treatments today, so I will keep you guys posted on the healing time and everything like that. And if you guys are in the Edmonton area or anywhere in Alberta, seriously, it's worth the trip to come see Nurse Jackie, because you won't be disappointed and you will look amazing and not like marshmallow. So yeah, it's great.
Tomorrow for sure.
So these are my lips and my this is what my skin looks like one day after getting my lips done and the chemical peel done. So as you can see, my skin is doing really well. I'm not having any major reactions or anything like that to the chemical peel. And my lips, I love them so much. She always does such an amazing job with the shape. I cannot be happier with them. There is some slight bruising, which happens to me every single time I get them done, so that's not an abnormal thing to experience for me. And they are swollen, so this is not the size that they are going to be. The size will go down, but this is just, I'm so happy with them. She always does such an amazing job. If any of you are in Alberta, I highly recommend you take the trip to Edmonton and go see Nurse Jackie, because she will transform your face and is just incredible. So yeah, I will keep you guys posted on the days as they go by on my skin and my lips, and then when I go back for my dermaplaning, I will take you guys along that process too.
Day 2.
Hello again. It is day 2 since I got the chemical peel and my lips done, and I thought I would show you guys what they're looking like. My skin has never looked this clear. I'm not joking. It hasn't looked this clear in a very long time. It's insane how clear my skin is right now. So I'm gonna use, she said that now today I can do my normal skincare routine, so I'm gonna do that right now. And then this is what my lips are looking like. The bruising is still there, but it has gone down a bit, and swelling is normal, so the swelling will go down. Yeah, I'm just so happy. She did such an amazing job on my skin and my lips. I cannot recommend Nurse Jackie enough. I love you, Nurse Jackie. Thank you.
Eventually.
Hello beautiful butterflies, and it is another day. I'm heading back to my second appointment that I was telling you guys about with Nurse Jackie. So at the first appointment we did a chemical peel on my skin to help with all of the congestion and breakouts I've been having, and just help with like the scarring and stuff like that as well. She touched up my lips, and then today we are going to be dermaplaning my skin, which is basically just going to be kind of exfoliating and taking off that first layer of like dead skin off of your face, just to help again with acne and all of that stuff. So I'm very excited for that. We're on the way to the appointment now, so I will film again once I am there with Nurse Jackie. And I also wanted to update you guys too. So it's been about a week and a bit since my last appointment, and the lips have healed really well, like they always do. So there's not really any more bruising or anything like that, and the swelling has gone down quite a bit. So yeah, I'm really happy with them. She always does such a good job. So yeah, see you guys soon. Okay, so I'm back in Nurse Jackie's The Alchemy room, and today we are doing dermaplaning like I mentioned on the drive here, and I'm so excited. I've never gotten dermaplaning before, but it looks so satisfying to watch, so you guys should enjoy this as much as we will. So what does the dermaplaning process, like how does that go?
So it's actually really quick and easy for treatment, and it's really amazing for your skin, your any skincare products you're using. They're going to be able to penetrate actually into the skin rather than just sitting on that top dead skin layer. So the process is washing your face, we swab with alcohol, and then we just take the scalpel and gently exfoliate.
look like a glowing baby out of the womb. This is what babies look like. I'm reborn. This looks so good. Thank you so much. You did such an amazing job. Jackie always does an amazing job. So if any of you guys are in the Edmonton area, Sherwood Park, honestly, if you're in Alberta, it's worth a trip to drive to Edmonton. And so she works out of the Alchemy Room. It's right in the South Common area off of Parsons Road. And Nurse Jackie is literally incredible. I've been seeing her for 3 years now, and I refuse to see anyone else until I'm put in my grave. So thank you so much. I so appreciate it. You did such an amazing job. Oh, this is awesome. So my appointment with Nurse Jackie is done. So this is what my skin looks like post the dermaplaning treatment. She did such an amazing job. My skin feels like I feel like I've been reborn. It feels so silky smooth. So she said for follow-up I can just use my normal skincare tonight, since I have all properly approved medical grade skincare that she is okay with me using. So I am going to make sure I do that tonight, and I will keep you guys kind of posted on the results of how my skin looks tomorrow. So you guys will have to stay tuned for that. I hope you are enjoying this vlog style video. Again, I cannot highly recommend Nurse Jackie enough. She's really great. If you guys want to go in for a consult for her for anything that you're looking for skincare or anything like that, I highly recommend her. But something that I cannot stress enough to people is that if you're going to get something done, get it done for you and not for anyone else. And don't go extreme. Don't feel like you need to fit into some sort of norm or anything like that. Just do what makes you feel your best self and something that makes you happy.
16 paranoia-filled days later.
Hello again. So I just wanted to hop on here and properly end this vlog style video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed tuning along with me to my appointments with Nurse Jackie. If you guys have any questions about Botox or filler or any sort of skincare procedures, please comment them down below and I can refer the questions to Nurse Jackie and she can happily provide medical professional answers to them. I didn't get any Botox, but it is a service that she provides if that's something that you are looking for. Yeah, I cannot recommend her enough. My skin feels amazing after the dermaplaning, and she did an amazing job on my lips last week, as well as the chemical peel on my skin. I've noticed a huge difference in just the natural overall glow in my skin and the complexion, and I'm really happy with it. So thank you so much, Nurse Jackie, for helping me transform my skin and just helping me so much with the confidence with my smile and my lips. She's just done so much for me, and I cannot thank her enough for all she's done. She is really good. If you do a consultation, let her know what you're looking for. She will be so honest with you in a way that will get you the results that you want without looking like a juiced up, gross Barbie, because that is the last thing that anyone wants to look like. So she's just so amazing at making you look like the most amplified, best confident version of yourself. Like I said before, don't ever get something done because you feel like you need to because of pressures of other people or anything else. Only get something done if you want to get it done for yourself, and that's it. So yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you, beautiful butterflies, so much for tuning into this vlog. Please check out Nurse Jackie's page if you want to check out some of her other work. She also offers some amazing medical grade skincare lines and stuff as well. So I will include all of her information somewhere on the page here, as well as in my description box. And yeah, I love you beautiful butterflies all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!